Hi, today we are going to make easy chicken pulao, so let's start now. First, fry the chicken and keep aside. Add onions and cook till brown. Cook till brown. Now add tomatoes. Add some water and fried chicken. Now add spices. Haldi, turmeric, dhania masala, salt, red chili pepper, red chili flakes, zira, cloves. Add extra spices if you want. Now mix well and cook the gravy well. Don't skip the video and cook well. Now cover for 10 minutes until water dries up. Our gravy is ready. Mix well. Add little water to the cooked gravy. Now add some green chilies. Now add the boiled rice to the delicious gravy and cover for 10 minutes. Add dry onions. Wow, our easy chicken pulao is ready now. Very easy and delicious recipe. Chicken pulao, chicken biryani. Very tasty and delicious. Decorate the dish if you want. Chicken biryani is very tasty.